hello, welcome back, and today I thought I would finally open this package that I've had sitting around for forever, and that is from Ipsy. I'm sure you've heard of Ipsy. Ipsy is a beauty subscription service. It says it's $10 a month, which, not gonna lie, that's kind of a load of crap, which I will talk about in a second. They send it to you monthly, or you can go and be like me, and I canceled after receiving 1 month because when I got the credit card bill, it was actually $20 a month. But it's supposed to have a bunch of like cool, mostly indie-er brands. Like, there's not a lot of like really popular brands from what I am aware of in here. I know people talk about Ipsy being a great deal because it's $10 a month, blah, 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 blah. If you're Canadian, no, it's not. It's not $10 a month. This bag was $10 American a month, which is closer to around $13, $12.80, depending on the exchange rate. And they have to pay for shipping, so this bag was over $20. Which doesn't seem like a lot of money, but when you're a broke college student, $20 is like an entire Domino's meal. But I thought I would open this and be like, yes, this is probably worth $10, but is what's in here worth $20 as a Canadian subscriber? And as I mentioned, this is the December bag. I just didn't receive it till, honestly, I want to say into January. I want to say I received this the day before I went home for Christmas, so like December 22nd or December 21st, so very late December. So inside we have this, a little trying to be hollow bag. This has a bunch of pretty people on it. Yeah, it's Christmas themed, I get it. Okay, it looks like it's based around snow globe theme. First thing on the outside, oh, there's 2 of them. Okay, well, I'm already less mad now. There's 2 face masks. This one is a bamboo charcoal facial. They're both bamboo charcoal facial sheet masks. Okay, this is called the Brilliant Bamboo Charcoal Facial Sheet Mask for detoxifying and pore minimizing. Online, you fill out a survey about like your skin type and the products you like to receive, blah, blah, blah. I put in there that I am very dry and I need hydration and retexturizing, so this is interesting, but we'll see. But I'm not mad about sheet masks because I feel like sheet masks are usually like at least $5 a piece, so if this was theoretically $10, that could be your $10 there. This is Sun and Park Beauty Water. It literally looks like just a little thing of water. It's a facial toner, a smart cleansing liquid made of natural plant extracts, gently cleanses, exfoliates, and moisturizes to deliver smooth, revitalized, and hydrated skin. So there's that little bad boy right there. This is called Dirty Little Secret. What are you? It just says Dirty Little Secret on it. And it's called Fetch, apparently. See, this is the reason, like, no shade to Ipsy, but this is the reason I unsubscribed from Ipsy, because I got a crap ton of stupid, like, chubby eyeshadow and sheer lip pencils that I just didn't care about. And this is like that, like, does this give you an idea of what this is made out of? Like the thin plastic that if I pushed toward this way, it would just crack. The brand is DSL and it's called eyeshadow crayon. This actually looks like something you could buy at a dollar store. It's not even a nice color. It's a, like, yellow, orange. It looks nicer on the camera than it looks in real life, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's nice enough, but I'll never use this as a shadow stick over like a Paint Pot or a Laura Mercier or like a concealer as an eye primer, you know? This also feels like it costs 2 cents. This is a tiny lipstick. I want to say it's Laura Mercier or use Smashbox. Okay, Smashbox B Legendary Lipstick in Legendary. Okay, that's a decent size. I'm okay with this. These are actually really nice. I love these lipsticks. I have a few of these lipsticks. I've gotten them at work. Like, that's pretty. I will give them that. I hate the packaging on things like this because working in cosmetic retail, I feel like this is such a deluxe size sample product that doesn't cost any money. But again, I'm just being a pessimist. This is the reason that I ordered this bag, hoping that this was in it. This is a brush from Luxie Beauty, which I've never ordered before at all. And I believe Luxie is cruelty-free, which is nice. And this is the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. It looks like this. It's like a flat but a little bit fluffy shader brush. It feels really soft. It feels really nice. They no longer do like the slots that tell you like how much things are worth and stuff like that, I guess. Probably because people were like, this seems fake, but okay. But with that being said, that's all that was in here. Which I guess like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you include the bag, there's 7 items. But just to walk you through how I feel about them and what I think of the cost breakdown, here we are. Like I said, the brush is nice. I'll use this. It's fine. It reminds me pretty much of like, maybe a little bit nicer than my Morphe brushes. But I'd say you can probably get a Morphe brush around this price, so this is probably between $3 and $6. This to me literally reminds me of something in the dollar store, so while it probably says it has a value of like $8 on their website, I wouldn't pay for this, so for me, it doesn't really get me excited. This is nice, I like the color, I'm glad they did red because it's like, this came out around the holiday season. But like I said, this seems like something that would be a deluxe size sample that you get with a promo code at Sephora, or you get like pretty much something you get for free as a gift with purchase. So while I like this, I want to say the value of this is pretty much nothing, because if I ordered something on Sephora, this would come for free, you know? This, I have heard of this brand before, I will say that. This is a pretty decent size. How big are you? 30 mils. I'll try it out, but I think this is cool. I will try this out. The packaging, I think, also looks, it looks cheap, but it also looks like when you buy something from like a professional brand, so I won't knock it on that. And then we have the 2 sheet masks, which is cool, but I feel like I saw other people getting different sheet masks, and if I wrote down in my profile that I had dry skin that needed hydration, I don't know why I got 2 charcoal sheet masks that literally say active charcoal deeply purifies and detoxifies, removes oil, reduces blemishes, and clears clogged pores. Like, for me, this is cool, but them completely overlooking what I asked for. I'm also gonna pull up on my phone the email, because I know I got pulled into this because I got an email being like, the December box is gonna be really freaking good, you should sign up for it now. Yeah, like, this is straight up not false advertising, because they say like items will vary. But to give you an example, the Your December Glam Bag Alert email included the Luxie brush, which is nice, a full-size Ofra liquid lipstick, which I really wanted because we can't buy Ofra in Canada, a full-size Too Faced lip gloss, that's like a $25 value, City Color eyeshadow, which I don't care about, a MAC mascara sample, which I don't really care about either, but again, it would have been MAC, that's an actual like brand, a full size of a Smashbox gel eyeliner, which would have been really cool, and then a Orbe Gold Luster dry shampoo, which is also a Luxe brand. So looking at this and being told this is the example of what you're paying for and receiving this, I feel like is kind of a joke, and obviously they're not actually reading the profile that you put on. I'm sorry. I would have probably paid $10 for this. I won't pay $20, and because of that, I won't sign up again. I'm sorry if that felt harsh. Those are just my thoughts. At the end of the day, it's my money, so I can do whatever I want with it. But if you get Ipsy, tell me what you think. If there's any subscription services that you like better, also tell me what you think. Happy to do that. As always, all my links to everything will be down below. I'm also more active on my other channel now again, which I was not for a very long time. So make sure to check that out, and I will see you guys relatively soon. Bye.